Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean and polish a Pokemon card. This is obviously a very old Charizard from 1996 or 97, Japanese Base Set Charizard. It doesn't look like we have too many scratches in the holo. We're going to take a closer look at the holo here in a minute. But if we have to use some recovery on the holo, we're going to do that as well. But we're going to start with using Kurt's Card Care Spray to clean off any dirt and debris from both the front and the back. Then we're going to use Kurt's Card Care Polish just to polish the card up. And then we may use Kurt's Recovery to further improve the holograph if we need to. We're going to be using this soft microfiber pad to remove any of the polish. We're going to be using this little foam applicator thing to apply the Kurtz polish. And we're just going to be using these little super soft cotton rounds. I just use these ones. These are like for removing makeup and whatnot, but they're also great for cleaning your cards. So we're going to get right to it. First thing I'm going to do is remove the card from the pack. And I guess I'm just going to do this on a piece of foam also. And I'm just going to lay the card down and keep my card protector here. And I'm just going to take Kurt's Card Care Spray. And I really just need one tiny little spray on this foam pad, just like this. And then I just dab it around so that I don't have it all concentrated in one spot. But that should be wet right there, yep. All right, then we're just gonna take the cotton swab and just gently go from the inside to the outside. You don't want to go from the outside to the inside because you can catch the edge of the card and do damage to the edges of the card, lifting some of the ink up. You don't want to do that, so always work from the inside to the outside. So this is really just to remove any dirt and debris that's on the card, any fingerprints, any dirt that was left on the card over the last 30 years. And I just want to be kind of thorough. You can kind of do circular motions in the middle of the card, but like I said, when you get to the edges, you kind of want to just do the inside to the out motions. All right. Then we're going to take the card and flip it over. And same thing, I'm just going to gently go from the inside to the out. Attempting to clean any dirt, fingerprints, oils, debris, anything that's embedded on the card very lightly will hopefully get pulled off. All right, let's take a quick look. And you always want to make sure that your foam pad is nice and clean, but looks pretty good. It looks like we have a little bit of stuff over here we can try to get off real quick. This should still be damp. Let's take a look. So yeah, there's something there that's not coming off. Definitely have some edge issues here. All right, let's take a look at the holo. So I really don't see, there is a print line, it looks like, going across right there. I don't think that's a scratch though, because it goes all the way across. So that's just going to be there. So yeah, let's just use the polish on this. Once again, I'm just keeping my foam pad nice and clean. So now I'm going to use this little foam applicator, and Kurt's card polish. And I'm just going to apply some of the polish to the applicator. You don't need that much, that's more than enough. Alright, and same thing, you just want to work from the inside to the out. I'm going to use a penny sleeve to hold the card and just gently apply that polish. And I am barely putting any pressure, basically just letting the polish and the applicator just kind of glide across the card with very, very slight pressure. When I get to the edges, it's the same thing. I want to just go from the inside to the out. All right, and then I'm just taking the microfiber pad and just wiping that polish off. And then we'll do the same thing to the bottom of the card. There's still plenty of wax on there. Just a little piece of fuzz that I don't want on there. All right, now we'll do the same thing to the bottom of the card. I'm not even adding any additional wax because there should be plenty on there. And this stuff really helps in removing any stuff that is really stuck on there. It sometimes will help removing debris. And this really helps give the card a nice shine. And same thing, I'm just going to use the microfiber pad to wipe the whole card. Ensuring that there's nothing left behind. We'll take a quick look. Card looks pretty good. We still have a dent up here that we may try to contend with. And there's that print line going across. All right, let's move on to the back. And I'm actually going to grab a little bit more polish for the back and just use the other side of the applicator. Grab a little bit of that polish. And just use the card protector again. Penny sleeve. And we're just going to start in the middle and work our way out. And same thing, I'm just going to go outward on the edges. And this is where that little spot was on the edge that I'm going to try to address. All right, just using the microfiber pad again. Going from the inside to the out. And then doing the bottom of the card. And this is a 1996 version. It says it right here on the back. All right, microfiber pad. We'll just try to clean the whole card again. Just one more swipe. Now let's take a look. All right, still a little bit rough, but it's as good as it's going to get with just a cleaning and a polishing. You can see some indentations here where my thumb is. You can see some imperfections here. There's that dent on the back that goes through to the front right here, right there. But it looks pretty good for a 30-year-old card. I guess I'll get a new penny sleeve. It's a Charizard. And that's the cleaning and polishing process. Obviously, I didn't have to use the recovery on this holo because it's really not scratched. It just has a print line going across it. But that's how I clean and polish cards using Kurt's Card Care. And just wanted to help the next person that needed to clean their cards. Thank you for watching.